doing a session for us tonight. They are doing a benefit gig for those dreaded words, Comic Relief, tomorrow night at St David's Hall in Cardiff. Doors open around 7:30. It'll only cost you £1 to get in. The support bands will be Peppermint Parlour and the Third Uncles. They're also going to be supporting the Alarm again at Cardiff Ice Rink on Saturday the 13th of Feb. The single is out on the 29th, and this is the first from the session. It is called Through the Roof. Papa's New Faith, and that actually is going to be the new single out on the 29th.